Hello, welcome to Tendersontime. Today our topic is GeM Incidence Management. Managing incidents on the government e-marketplace GeM involves a structured approach to ensure timely resolution and maintain the integrity and efficiency of the platform. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to manage incidents on GeM. 1. Identify the incident. Clearly define and document the incident. This could include issues like product discrepancies, payment delays, technical glitches, or service failures. 2. Report the incident. Log into your GeM account. Navigate to the Contact Us or Help Desk section. Use the provided form to report the incident, including all relevant details such as order ID, service details, nature of the issue, and any supporting documentation. 3. Acknowledgement and tracking. Once reported, you will receive an acknowledgement with a unique incident or ticket number. Use this ticket number to track the status of your reported incident through the GeM portal. 4. Initial assessment. The GeM support team will conduct an initial assessment to categorize and prioritize the incident based on its severity and impact. 5. Incident resolution. Technical issues. The technical support team will address and resolve issues related to platform functionality, such as login problems, payment gateway issues, or website glitches. Procurement issues. For issues related to orders, product quality, delivery delays, or service discrepancies, the procurement support team will intervene, often coordinating with the concerned seller or buyer. Policy or process queries. Any questions related to GeM policies or procedures will be handled by the relevant support team to ensure clarity and compliance. 6. Communication. The GeM support team will communicate with you regularly, providing updates on the status and progress of your incident. They may request additional information or documentation to facilitate resolution. 7. Resolution and closure. Once the incident is resolved, the resolution details will be communicated to you. You will have the opportunity to confirm that the issue has been satisfactorily resolved before the incident ticket is closed. 8. Feedback and follow-up. Provide feedback on the resolution process and your experience. Follow up if the issue persists or if the resolution is not satisfactory. Reopen the incident or escalate it if necessary. Tips for effective incident management. Documentation. Always document all communications and steps taken regarding the incident. This includes screenshots, emails, and any other relevant information. Timely reporting. Report incidents as soon as they occur to ensure prompt attention and resolution. Clear communication. Provide clear and concise details when reporting an incident. Include all relevant information to avoid back-and-forth clarifications. Follow up. Keep track of the incident status and follow up regularly if there are delays in resolution. Escalation. If an incident is not resolved satisfactorily or within the expected time frame, escalate it to higher authorities or through the formal escalation process provided on GeM. Resources for assistance: GeM Help Desk, accessible through the GeM portal for immediate support, GeM support email, available for written communications and follow-ups, GeM toll-free number for direct telephonic support and urgent issues. By following these steps and utilizing the available resources, buyers and sellers can effectively manage and resolve incidents on the GeM platform, ensuring a smooth and efficient procurement process. If you're new to the tendering process and want the opportunity to win government contracts, please reach out to our official team for more information. We're here to help. Subscribe to our channel for more tenders-related videos. Thanks for watching.